Okay, buddy, tell me, what do you love about the Hulk?
Well, the Hulk is super strong and he really knows how to smash through buildings.
He does the big Hulk smash, doesn't he?
Yes.
Yeah? Oh dear, Hulk smash. Do you know how to do a Hulk smash? Close your eyes, buddy. Is it tricky doing a Hulk smash?
No, we play Hulk smash at the playground.
Oh, that sounds like lots of fun.
And it's actually at my childcare. My childcare's called.
All right, let's complete your Hulk. How fun. Okay, super still, buddy. Bit loose.
Oh, yeah.
The nature and the...
Do you like the beach?
I actually do like the beach, but strangely, with
Well done.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
we've been
Good job. You're doing great.
swam at the beach.
Yeah. I only see the like it's just
Okay, yeah, it's pretty rough.
Oh, you're sticking to it, yeah.
Wow, so cool. Should we make him look really cranky or not so cranky?
Really cranky.
Really cranky, okay. You don't want to scare everyone away. Footloose. All right, Mr. Hulk. Super still.
Yeah, exactly.
Outsiders, that's fine.
Yeah.
But it is, although I haven't swam at the beach, but seeing the world everywhere. It's really nice. So I went,
Good job. Now let's make you look a little bit more cranky. We'll put some more cranky lines here.
I wouldn't be able to
Exactly. That's a big like it's nice to be
It took
around.
us a little bit, but I'm not moving.
You're doing so well, buddy. It's not easy to sit still. It's never easy, especially when there's a party going on.
Lewisham, a friend's place the other weekend. So nice.
Whoa, so cool. Would you like to have a look in the mirror? Wow, Hulk smash. Yeah. Do you love it?
Yes.
Yeah. Awesome.